Okay, so we have not covered it. So yesterday we see about changing directory and creating new folder. Today we will see like how to copy, okay, and how to move files. Before that, just see like how to create folders, okay, how to create files. So what does this echo means? You guys know echo? Just tell me in your language. Echo क्या होता है? In science, no, like daily words, echo. Just write in your chat or you can unmute yourself. What is this echo? Anyone? Okay, sound. Great. Fine. Uh, sound getting bounced back. Yes, yes, Astha, you're correct. Yeah. So echo is like sound what Astha is saying. Sound getting bounced back. Bounced back. Okay. Like गूंज जो कहते हैं ना, है ना? Yes. Yeah. Total. What is this here called? TRI, na? Total reflection index, something like that. I forgot. Several times. Yes. Sounds. Yeah. So this is what echo. Okay. You guys know echo. Yeah. TIR. Yes. 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 So let's see. Echo. If I do echo, something like that, and hello world. Sorry. See, it's printing hello world. देखो echo कर रहा है ना? It will write whatever I just write in terminal. No use, just it's echoing. Okay. If I do echo hello class, it will say hello class. Okay, just echo. And if we want it echo, okay, echo हो और echo जो है किसी file के अंदर हो, okay, we will see that how to like echo inside a file. Okay, we will see that. First, let's see. हमें पता है कि कैसे folder बनाए जाते हैं, right? We know how to create folder. Yesterday we created this, right? We know how to create folder, but how to create a file? Okay, let's see how to create a file. Okay, let me close this. Yeah, and if I do git bash here, okay, and I want to create a file. Okay, so let me, how can I create a file? Okay, it's not a folder, it's not a directory. Okay, it's a file. There is a difference between folder, directory, and file. Okay, so if I do echo hello world, and let's pick up someone's name. Yes. Okay, and then yes dot txt. Okay, can anyone see? Yes dot txt has been created, right? Yes is created. Yes file, txt file has been created. Okay, so what does this echo hello to txt does? Let's see. Okay, copy command not working. Let's copy and jump into the, create this. Okay, visible now? It's visible to everyone, right? Okay. So if I do echo I am echoing it. Okay, whatever inside I'm writing, okay, it's inside this dot txt. Okay, I am, if I write hello world, okay, it will in hello world will be inside yes dot txt. Is it clear? I am pushing this inside yes dot txt. Just tell me if it's clear. Like I am pushing whatever I just write here. Okay, if I do okay, just tell me guys. Okay, what will be inside, what will happen if I do like this? You guys should tell. Okay, if I do echo and let's pick someone's name, Aryan. Yeah, so if I pick hello developers. Okay, okay, let's create, let's make it big. Okay, just tell me what will it happen. Okay, so in this case I am typing echo, just echo this. Okay, echo this whole thing inside where, inside rn.txt. Okay, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. See, if I do, let me show you. Okay, first admit some people. Okay. See guys, from tomorrow we will wait for 5 minutes and then we will start. Yeah, please don't be late, otherwise आपका skip हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Yes, someone's mic is open. Is there any doubt? Amit? Oh, great. So if I do here, let's do this. Okay, echo, and then I do. Okay, I just write something. Okay, and I'm pushing this inside. Okay, and let's create music.mp4, just like any name. Okay, like taki taki. Okay, taki taki.mp4. Let's see what happened. mp4 na video. Can you see, like it's taki taki mp4 has been created, but if I try to play, it will not play. Okay, see, because the I have written something inside this, that's why it's showing some error. Okay, so like this I can create anything. I can create .jpg, .png, you know, extensions, right? I can do anything. I can create music, whatever. But if I want to see here, okay, what is this inside, how to open file inside this, like, you know, terminal, we will see that. First tell me, is echo like creating a file is clear? We can create any type of file. We can change this extension .txt, .mp3, .mp4, jpg, png, you know, there are so many extensions. We can create anything. Is this clear? Just write in chat. Echo is clear, na? Creating a file. See, if anyone have doubt, we will stick here. We will just clear it, then we will go. Okay, I don't want to, like, you know, in hurry, so hurry. Okay, great. So as yeah, yeah, sure, Aryan, sure. Aryan, if you want, like, you can unmute yourself. Okay, and like from where? Okay, 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 great question, Aryan. Yeah, Dushyant, yes, good question. So what does this mean? Okay, Dushyant asked, what does this mean? See, we are pushing. See, this is pushing. We are pushing this side. Whatever we have written here, okay, whatever we have written here, we are pushing this whole inside the file name. This is the the method how to push something. Okay, great. I will do that. I will do that. Okay, I will show you how to append. How to append, I will show you. Just stick. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, Dushyant, you can unmute yourself if you have still any doubt. See, this is the method. Okay, this is how we push something inside. Okay, we are pushing this. Whatever we have written here, we are pushing this inside the file name. Is this clear, Dushyant? Just write in chat or you can unmute yourself. Okay, great. So let's see. Okay, someone just asked to like open the file. Okay, yes, file. Okay, let's see what's. Okay, wow, it's a txt file and we have written hello world. See, we have written hello world. So hello world is there inside yes folder. Okay, remember we created this. Even I can do this also. I have written this hello developers. Okay, in this taki taki file. I will show you this also. And let's see how to open a file inside a terminal. Okay, that's interesting. Like that's a superpower. Na? We are developers. Okay, we can do anything. Let's see. Let me just clear this. Okay. So if I do that's it. So if I do cat, okay, if I do cat and the file name, it will open the file. Okay, what it will does, it will open file in terminal. Okay, so if we want to change this, no, it will not work, bro. See, if we change this to this, it will not work. These are not same now. See, there are some commands which we should learn. Okay, this is what we are pushing this. Okay, so this command we have to learn. We can't change it by my own, na? So it have like already written somewhere in manual. We will see that also. So cat and the file name, and the file will open in terminal. Okay, let's see how a file open in terminal. So if I go to where it was, okay, so like if I do this, the file is not opening because we have like written a text inside a like mp4 file. Okay, inside a video. So how can I open this? Let's see this. If I do cat, okay, cat and then taki okay dot mp4. Okay, so you can see in this mp4, this is hello world. I have written the hello world, and let's change this to something else. Echo, sorry, and echo developers, and then I say okay. So what we did, we just changed this hello world to hello dev. Did you get how I changed this? Please tell me function of GitHub. Yeah, GitHub is different. Okay, git base it is. Okay, github is different, git base is different. We will tell after the class. Okay, and let me open cat dot mp4. My screen is visible, right? Why it's not? Let me see. Git bash here, and if I want to open cat and then yes, okay, yes dot txt. See, you can see hello world is inside the yes dot txt. Okay, I can access it from here also. Okay, I don't have to go here and then just see. I can see this only from my terminal also. Okay, so what does this cat does? It open file. Okay, it open file in the terminal. We don't have to go anywhere. We can open inside this, like inside this terminal. Okay, great. I think this is clear. Okay, so if I say I want to remove it, okay, if I want to remove it, what can I do? There is a command to remove a file. Okay, it's rm. If I do rm and file name, okay, same here, file name, it will remove the file and it's permanent. Okay, it will be not in recycle bin. It's remove permanent. Let's see how does this work. Let's see. See, practical makes you more comfortable. Okay, if I do rm and then yes dot txt dot txt. Okay, so yeah, see, we didn't access any GUI and any icon, and yes has been deleted. Yes file has been deleted. See, like this we can remove a file. Just write rm and then the file name. That's it. Okay, till now any doubt? Let's, I guess no. Okay, great. So cat is clear, rm is clear. Okay, so if I do like this, okay, just no one just asked me, if I want to edit something, okay, let me, okay, git bash here, no? Let's create a new folder. Dot txt. Okay, echo test.txt. Okay, so test file is created, na? Where it is? To refresh. Okay, okay, I forgot. See, I did what I did. I did a mistake. I didn't use this sign. Okay, the greater sign. So that's why it didn't create it. Okay, if I want to create a blank file, okay, what I did echo and nothing, and then just the file name. Okay, it will simply clear a blank file. See, test is created, and if I click this, nothing is here. Like, it's a blank file. Okay, it's an empty file. I can create this also. Just pass nothing inside this echo. Okay, you can create this. And if I want to, okay, write something, echo. Okay, and I do this test.txt. Okay, test.txt. My bad. Controls. So guys, if you stuck in inside like a terminal and you don't know how to get out, so you can do Control C. Okay, it will just like I stuck here. Okay, I just do Control C and it give me a new command. Okay, so let's see. I written something here. Why it's not happening? Control C. Let's see. I guess something is wrong here. Why it's not working, dude? Let's see if I have done something wrong. Test.txt. Okay. Let's see this. Okay. Echo writing inside this test.txt. Done. Okay. So it created a new file test.txt. Okay. So like I guess it was wrong. So I writing. Okay. And if I want to edit, how can I do this? Let me delete this file. Okay. Empty file. See, writing is there. Okay. And I want to edit something. How can I do this? If I do something, will it work? Something. It will. What you guys think? Will it write like this? Writing something. Writing something. Will it work? If I do this something. Will it work? If I do echo and then something. Yeah, something will overwrite. Okay. Writing. Okay. Great. So let's see. Okay, let's do this practical. Okay. And I do. Okay, I have done. Let's see. Okay, let's open this file. Okay, it deleted. See guys, it deleted writing and it rewrite it something. It deleted everything and make a new file and write in there something. So how can we edit something? Like if I want to edit this file without deleting, what can I do? Like the improper manner, what can I do? I can do like writing something like this. I can do like this also, na? It will also happen writing something. But this is not now. Like if I want like a whole paragraph, then we have to write it again and again and again. That's not a good use, no. So how can I append something? Okay, append is what? How can I append something? Okay, let's see this. Okay, how can I append? How can I do this? Append something, okay, in this file. What can I do is I can use double this. Okay. I will use just double it. Okay, and let's see this. And now let me close this and let me close this one also. Okay, so we are here. Okay, and we have written writing something. Okay, and now I want to append something. Append. I would like to add writing something new. Okay, what I do is just remove it, and I will do another this. Okay, this sign it will be double. Okay, and let's done. Okay, let's open this. Okay, will it work? See. Oh wow, this worked. Okay, new is there, na? We didn't write whole line. We just write new and it's appended. Is this clear, guys? Till now, is everything clear, or you have any doubt? You can ask. If anyone have any doubt. Yeah, we can make it in new line also, because it is making a new line because it don't know, like I can use this, to make it simpler, because every line I write, it will create a new line. Okay. After, if we are appending, it will create a new line every time. There is a separate command for this also. We will look in this Python. Okay, how this spaces work. Okay, ENDL and something like this. We will see that in Python. Okay. For now, is this clear? How to append? Append is clear to everyone? Just write in chat. If anyone have doubt, please raise your hand. You can ask your doubt. Okay, please don't be shy. Okay. Anyone have any doubt? Great. So I guess no one have any doubt. Okay. Okay, everyone saying no. Great. So I'm just creating a new link. Okay. And let's join there. And then we will see a great command. Okay. How to copy something, how to remove something. Okay. We will see that there. Okay. I'm just creating a new command. Okay. The link will be in your group also. Okay. And you will get a notification. I'm just ending this meeting and creating a new meeting. Okay. So till now we know echo, and we want to edit something and the file name. Okay. So are you guys ready to give some MCQ? Okay. Let's see. Okay. How many of you getting things? Let's see. Let's make an MCQ. Okay. Attempt it, guys, quickly. Let me pause my screen. Okay. Otherwise, you will see the answer. Let's pause. Oh, just creating an MCQ. Just go to your text. Okay. Let's create. Okay. Let's see. What can I do? Let's give some test. I'm just creating an MCQ. Give me some minutes. Okay. I will create that. Let's see. Okay, so MCQ is up, guys. Just attempt it. I'm just creating. Give me 1 second. Just. Okay. So 3 minutes will be enough. Okay, let's make it 2 minutes. Okay. Solve it in 2 minutes. Okay. Done. MCQ is up. Just try to solve it. It's just for 2 minutes. Be quick, guys. MCQ is up, guys. Just try to solve it. If you are not solving a MCQ, your attendance will be not count. Once everyone submit, let me know. MCQ is in the text. Okay, you can see that inside your Wise app, there is a test, and you can see that there are MCQ. I'm giving you one more MCQ. Let's see how many of you can solve it. Then we will. Bhupendra, I guess you have access. Okay, Bhupendra, you can unmute yourself. If you are facing any problem, you can unmute yourself. If anyone facing, solving in MCQ, not getting MCQ or test, they can unmute yourself.
Prigyanshu, not show your
Not sure what? Your voice.
screen.
No, actually I have paused. Now I am giving you MCQ. That's why I have paused. Otherwise, you will see the questions. You will see the answer also. That's why I have paused. Okay, giving you one more MCQ for 2 minutes. So test is live. Okay, just do this. Under test, you will see MCQ. Okay. Let's see previous MCQ. Okay, how many of you solved? Okay, I will discuss together. Okay, we will discuss this together. Let's wait. It will end on 54. 2 minutes left, guys. Just be quick. See, if you have submitted your answer, you will see here. I will tell you if your answer is correct or not. Just choose any options. Okay, whichever you think it's correct. Let's wait for few minutes. I guess this is also over. No? 1 minute more. It will end on 54. 1 minute more. See, guys, in resources you will get notes. Okay, I have uploaded notes, so you can access it from here. Notes is there, and recorded video is also here. You can access it. Okay, those who are joining late, they can access the recorded video, but the attendance will not be counted if they are not giving the MCQ. Great. So test is over, I guess. Let me refresh it. Test is over. Let's discuss the answers. Okay. So what it was, MCQ1. Okay, let's see. Okay, Gaurav Singh. Okay, Ankit Singh. Correct answer. Palak, Dushyant, Pooja, Tushar, Gaurav, Asta Arora. And why these people didn't even attempted it? Guys, try to attempt now. Naman and Aryan. So average marks is 1. So I guess everyone got that correct. Okay. No problem, Dushyant. No problem. Okay, so let's see how many of you. Okay, so like 53% you give correct answer. No one gave wrong answer. MKTIR, which is correct answer. To make a new directory. And let's see MCQ2. So like I guess MCQ2 result has been available. I guess. Let's see. What is the result? Okay, yeah, the result is here. Okay, again Gaurav is okay. Gaurav, Ankit Singh Negi, Naman, Astha, Shrest, Palak. Okay, fine. I will if someone have network issue, let me know. I will increase the timing. Okay, I will increase it to 2 minutes to 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Okay, just let me know, na. So here also 47% attempted. Okay, and this is the correct, which is double. Okay, to append something or something to edit. Fine. So till now, let's see where it is. Yeah. So till now we know what is how to append. Okay. We can use double and echo and then file name, and we can do this. Let's see something new. Okay. So cat is clear, na? Write in chat what is cat is does, what cat command does. What cat does, guys? cat. Just write in chat or you can unmute. What is this cat? Okay, okay, great. Okay, only one answer. Let's see. You can unmute yourself. Okay, I have given you permission, but yeah, please don't create disturbances. Create a file. Uh, okay, so okay, some people got it right. Some people is still confused. Okay, let me clear what cat does, because some people, okay. Yeah, fine, Aryan. No issue. Let it be. Okay, so what cat does? Okay, so I guess some people have still some issue. What cat does is, let me write it here. Cat open, okay. Cat open a file in the terminal. Okay, you don't have to go to any notepad on GUI. You can attempt it from this only. Okay, you just have to do cat and then the file name. Okay, you just write cat and then the file name. Okay, and then the file name dot whatever the extension, like txt, suppose it's of txt. So you can do this. Okay, fine. So let's see. I guess it's clear. Cat. Dushyant, it is clear. Cat is clear now. Dushyant, just write in chat if cat is clear.
Okay, bro, bhai.
Yeah. Oh. So let's see how to copy and paste. Okay, how to move and copy. Okay, touch. I will tell you. Okay, this is some extra. Okay, touch. I will tell you. Yes, this. Please stay after this class. I will tell you something extra. Those who will stay after this class will get something extra. Okay, just delete. Okay, so right now we know how to create a file. Okay, and we know like how to create a folder, how to make edit file, how to write something inside a file. We are using this only terminal. Okay, we are not going anywhere. We are using only terminal. So now if I say how to copy and paste, okay, we will see this, how to copy something and paste something. Okay, so how to do this, let's see. Okay, we can do command of, okay, let me write here, cp. Okay, we write like this. Okay, so what can I do is I can do cp. Okay, I just write cp and then the path, source path. Okay, if I'm moving something, their path and then the destination path. Is this clear? Source path and destination path. We have talked about path, right? What path is? Just write in chat. What is the path? What we call path? Path of a file. Yes. Yes is correct. Okay. Let's see how many of you know your path. Great, great, great. So many of you. Okay, okay. So you are attentive. You are getting it. Address. Yes, it can be address of file or like directory, like whatever it is, it can be. Okay, so if I do here like this, okay, so txt is like inside where it is this txt. Let me pwd first. Pw is for what? Pw is for what command? What is the use of pwd? I don't know, yeah. Let's just tell me, yeah. What is this pwd? I just okay. Okay, someone is helping me. Okay, 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 great, great. Thank you so much, yes, guys. Okay, you just tell me. Okay, thanks, thanks. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. You just tell me. Okay. Yes, it is the present working directory. Okay. Thank you. So it is the present working directory. So it is PWD. Okay. So where am I? I am inside. No problem. So we are inside 2021. Okay. And now we have txt. And how can I see the list of the file? What command should I type? Can someone help me? Like what's inside the dev 2021? I just want a list of the dev 2021. Let's see. Is this correct command? Okay, so everyone is saying less. Okay, I'm trusting you guys. Okay, I don't know. I'm just trusting you. Let's see. Oh my God, you guys are superb. So text.txt is there. Okay, and where it is this text.txt? It is inside the dev 2021, right? So if I do text, sorry, it's text, na? Text dot txt, and then the current path. Okay, and then the current path, and then the source path where I want to store it in the soft folder. Okay, just imagine I want to it in soft. Okay, let me move. Okay, I'm just copying it, no? What I have told you about copy or move. It's copy. Okay, cp. Okay, I'm just copying it. It's okay. What is this omitting directory? Okay, let's see. I want it in source file is dot. If does this work? Okay, it worked. So what I did is I just copied, okay, cp.txt to the source file, okay, and sorry, to the destination, okay, and the where is the destination? Destination is soft. So I have a copy of text.txt in the soft. Are you trust me? Do you guys trust me? Okay, is this copied or not? Let's see. Okay, if you guys don't trust me, yeah, I have something to prove. Okay, and if I do this, I have written writing something new, and this is here in soft file. CP is clear. CP is what? CP is this CP source file. Okay, just write the source file. You can even the source folder. If you are in current file, if you want to move inside this dev 2021, suppose I am inside dev 2021. Okay, let me remove it, and I have this folder called soft. Okay, and I have this text.txt txt, and I want to move it from the here. Okay, I want a copy of here to here. Okay, so I don't have to give a full path because these two file, okay, present in this, okay, here. So I don't have to give the full path. I can just write this text.txt and then the source file path. Okay, is this clear? CP is clear or not? Just practice by yourself also. Let me tell you, if you guys don't know, okay, suppose I don't know something, like even I also don't know, okay, everything I don't know. Okay, what I can do is, it's not working. It should work now. Let's see. Okay. Why it's not working? Let's see this. So what is this? This is called manual. Okay. If you write help, HELP, okay, and then I guess this, sorry, double this, I guess. Okay. If you write HELP and then double this, okay, it will show you the every command. Okay, there are so many commands, and there's so many commands. Okay, see, there's so many commands, and echo is there, na? See, echo is there, and mm, let's see what we have. No, we know till now echo is there. There are so many commands. Okay, you can try it by your own. Echo. Okay, you just try echo in terminal. Okay, in my Kali Linux there is some command man. If someone is using like Apple or Mac OS, they can use man. Okay, man is for manual, and you will see so many commands. Okay, you can just check it out. Okay, this is the manual. If you don't know any command, just try this and you will get details about this. Okay, so till now we know CP. So CP is clear to everyone, right? CP is clear now. Just write in chat if CP is clear, so that I can move to move. Okay, great. Let's see MV. What MV does is move file, and it is same. It is similar to CP. Okay, same process. Okay, but what it does is it do not make a duplicate file. Okay, it just delete this file, like the original file, and just create a new file there. Okay, let's see. See guys, if anyone have problem in CP, they can just tell me right now. I can repeat that. Okay, so if I do MV, okay, and txt, see, I'm just showing a magic. Okay, I will not touch this file. Okay, and I will just move it to somewhere else. So where should I move it? Let's move it to Tusar. I forgot the extension txt. Okay, write it in extension. Okay guys, because it may create some problem. Always write the extension. What extension is? You guys know the dot portion. Okay, this is called extension. Let's see if I do. Oh my god, it's just magically like disappear. Where it is? Okay, where the text file should be? Just write in chat where it is. So it's in Tusar. See, yeah, Tusar. Okay, everyone just spamming Tusar. Okay, Tusar is getting famous. So yes, so txt is in Tusar. Okay. Oh yeah, this IT team. So see, Tusar, inside Tusar there is a text file. Okay. See, we didn't did anything. Okay, we didn't just right click and copy and then move to this folder and then this paste. See, what is this benefit of CLI? We did it just in just one line. Okay, we just write this one line and just move. Okay, it just moved. Great, now you got it. Everyone, move is clear also, I guess. Okay. So let's see. Clear, na? That's great. So CLI is hard or easy? Easy or hard? Just write in chat. CLI is easy or hard? Interesting, na? Easy or hard? What CLI is? CLI is easy or hard? Very easy. Okay, great. Easy, na? That's so easy. Yeah. I don't know why people are making rumors like it's hard. It's easy. It's so easy. So someone is asking, let me tell you about a dangerous command. Okay, it's so dangerous, and I will see. There is a RM. There is a command RM. What does this does? Remove. Okay, it will remove what? Remove file or like anything. We have seen this. Okay, let me show you. If I want to write the txt file, okay, what can I do is, and rm, let me see now, where am I first? I am inside in dev 2021. You can also see this from here. Okay, this dev 2021, and I want to go inside the tushar folder dot sorry /sar. See guys, if you get practice, okay, if you do practice, then only you can learn it. Okay, if I do remove rm, remove for rm, okay, and then txt dot txt, sorry, same, it sounds like same. Okay, and I click remove. Okay, enter, boom, disappear. And I guess it's neither inside my recycle bin. My recycle bin has like so many dump, but it will be not inside my recycle bin also. Okay, it's gone forever. Like in windows there is a command shift plus delete. If you know, shift plus delete, so that's what remove permanently. Okay, it's permanently. And what if I told you to remove a folder? Will it work? RM, will it work? Remove a folder. Let's see this. Okay, remove folder. Okay, so let's jump into this. Let's get back. Okay, now I'm in dev 2021. You guys knows what I did. I go to the previous, and then I want to remove soft file. Okay, RM soft. Will it work? Let's see. No, it didn't. What it told, cannot remove a directory. So from remove RM, I can remove a file. Okay. Yes, we can remove. I can remove an image also. I can remove a file also. Okay. So someone is requesting me to remove a image. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. If I create a .jpg and then I do RM and then the jpg file, it will remove the. Okay. It will remove the image. Okay. Just try to practice it. Okay. And if it what it told, it is a directory. अगर ये directory है, हम इसको remove नहीं कर सकते. If it is a file, we can't remove. From RM, I can remove a file, okay, not a folder. ठीक है, ये directory है ना, ये एक folder है. What soft is a folder. We can't remove it, okay. So how can I remove? I can remove it by some forcefully. RM minus RF. And what is this RF? Okay, just telling you, okay. RF is R for recursively, and F is for what? Forcefully. भाई जबरदस्ती करके दे, मेरे को रिमूव करना है तो करना है. ओके, मैं तो D2 हूँ, मेरे को रिमूव करना है, फोल्डर हो चाहे फाइल हो. ओके, I can do RM minus RF. Okay, and it will be removed recursively. So you guys know, okay, you know about this forceful. Recursively may be a new term for you. Okay, so let me tell you about this recursively. What recursively means? Okay, okay. So let me show you what recursively means. So recursively means, suppose we have a folder soft. Okay, and then we have some, suppose file 1. Okay, file 1, file 2, and inside this I have like something .txt, something. Okay, something .txt, just like telling you in deep. Okay, just revise it, just focus. Okay, don't use phone. Okay, So file1, okay, if I, what recursively is, recursively don't delete this folder. Recursively means it will go inside and it will see file1 and it will go inside this file1, and inside this it is the end, na? Inside this file1 it is the end, something is end. So it will just remove this, and then it will go back to this file1, and it will remove this, and then it back to one, and then this file, and it will remove this, and then it will remove this. So recursively means by step, okay, go to the root and remove, step by step. Okay, I guess recursively is clear. Let me try this command. Okay, if I do recursively here, okay, so if I do rm minus rf, okay, delete it. See, rf is deleted, rm minus rf, and so here I deleted the file. Okay, it's deleted for permanently. Okay, but if I do only rm, it will not. I have to, if I have to delete a folder, a directory, then I have to give rf. Okay, will you remember this rf? Yes, you can remove an application. Obviously you can. Let me show you. Okay, let me create an application for you. Okay, just a quick. Okay, I am just going to create a application. Okay, just see, just tell me how can I create an application. वही चीज यूज करूंगा जो मैंने अभी तक सिखाया है. ओके, कुछ नया नहीं यूज करूंगा. कैसे मैं बना सकता कोई एप्लीकेशन. जस्ट सी सम क्रिएटिविटी. ओके, if I do what can I do. अभी तक हमने क्या क्या पढ़ लिया है. सीपी पढ़ लिया, आरएम पढ़ लिया, इको पढ़ लिया. चलो, लेट्स सी. I am going to create an application. Okay, if I do echo and then nothing. Okay, and then do application. Okay, I'm creating an application. Okay, .exe, just a smart trick. Okay, oh my god, I just created an application. You can do anything, dude. Okay, I just created an application. It will not run, but I created an application. Okay, lol. So yes, I created an application. Okay, yes, this app can't run on a PC because I created such a bad application. Okay, so yes, you can also create an application. Okay, and if I want to delete this application, okay, what can I do is is this, see, delete it. See how magical CLI is. Yes, CLI is so good. Let me tell you like a very bad command. Okay, so like in software industry, people are so afraid of this command. Yes. Like, okay, so there is a so many dangerous command. Let me tell you one. rm minus rf. Okay, what does this does is, and if I do rm minus rf and home sudo, it will delete all my. Just give me a minute, guys. Let me charge my laptop. It's so low. It's just 10%. Just give me a second, guys. I will be there. Okay, so let's start. So what is this? Okay, what's happening? No, I don't want to install it. Okay, sudo rm. Let's do sudo. Will it work? Let's see. Why sudo is not working here? I guess there is some problem in my laptop. But yes, you can try in your own. Okay, you can do sudo. Okay, if after doing sudo, it will ask for your like password. Like, you know what sudo is? Let me tell you. In Sudo is what? Administrator. Okay. Straight. Okay. So if we're doing something as an administrator, okay, if I go to local disk C, I guess, yeah, it is in CMap. And if I want to go to this program file, I guess, what is this? Okay, and then I want to create a new file with something, because here now some files are restricted. They will ask for the if you are an administrator or not. They want a permission. After then I can access. So that's why this sudo is same. Okay, there is for administrator, and if you do sudo rm -rf, it will ask, do you want to remove this everything rf or everything from your folder, like everything from your machine? It will like blank my machine. Okay, there will be no window, nothing. Okay, I have to just I will lost everything. Great. So some people asked, there was some doubt now. I told him that I guess that was yes doubt. Yes, he was asking something. I replied, I will tell you after the class. What is the doubt? Yes, can you write that again? Okay, touch. Okay, great. I forgot. Yeah. So what touch is? Okay, that's great. Like keep asking something. Okay, if you keep asking, I will keep telling you. Okay, what is this touch? Let's see what is this touch. Okay, let me get base there. If I do touch and file name, suppose temp, okay, .txt, I don't have to give no echo and everything. Okay, I don't have to give this. What touch is? Touch will create an empty file. Touch will create an empty file. Create an empty file. Empty file. Okay, I didn't do anything. Okay, some people are joining. I didn't do like this, na echo. I didn't do this, and then txt. I didn't like do this. I just what I did is touch and then the file name. Are you getting it? Touch and the file name. That's it. I don't go like this. Okay. So what this is the main purpose, and one more purpose of touch is we can change the timestamp. Touch for timestamp. So like you guys know there is something what is called timestamp. Okay, if you can see it is 1630. Okay, can you see this 1630 is there, right? So if I do, okay, let's rename, sorry, git base. Okay, so it just change the timestamp. Okay, you can see the timestamp by I guess ls minus a. No, there is some other command. Maybe I forgot about that. It is so long. I have talked. So yeah, basically touch is what? Touch is used to create an empty file, and we can change the timestamp. Okay, we can change the timestamp just by using the touch command. Okay, we can do that. So this is the touch, and we like extra in extra we know touch. We get to know about rm -rf. Okay. Okay, great. So guys, let me tell you one thing. Okay, basically I'm just telling you about the first week will be about on git and git bash. Okay, some command on terminal. After then we will start the python. Okay, and let's before that I got something new. Okay, like something very interesting yesterday. Let's talk about that. Okay, if my screen is clear, like visible to you, there is a concept, okay, which I really want to talk with you, because beside giving you IT information, I want to teach you something extra, okay? Because you guys are staying for like so long, so that's why. So if you are getting 1% every day, okay, extra, okay, if you are incrementing 1% every day, okay, so you will become, okay, you will become, okay, just 1% every day, okay, you will become 37.78% after a week, after a year, okay. Just 1% increment every day, just only 1%, okay. You don't have to a lot, okay. It's just a teeny step, okay. I guess I have the picture of that. Let me show you. Yeah, see, just do only 1%, okay. 1% better every day, okay. 1%, only 1%. You don't have to be 100% better, okay. You don't have to give no 90% or 80%, just 1%. And after a year you will get 37.78%. And if you get become 1% worse every day, okay, then you will become 0.03, like, which is, you know, zero, which will be according to zero. So keep updating yourself, guys. Keep learning something new. Keep, knowing everything, okay. Because if you are getting knowledge from anywhere, just keep it, because you are, making yourself better. You are learning here, okay, like, so many commands, so many things. So I can bet you, if you are doing practice and all, so you can be 37.78, maybe, more than this, if you are doing this. And here is the improvement graph, okay. If you are doing only 1% better, see how up you will be in your life. Just do 1%, okay. I'm not, just saying that, just do and die wala scene, okay. Just do 1%, okay, a little bit, okay, and you will see this. Great. So let's wait for some more doubts, okay. If anyone have any doubts, okay, they can see how we can rename. That's a great question. Yes, let's see, okay. That's a great question. Let's see that also. Okay, so I have this. Okay, so I want to rename, okay. I will not tell you something extra, okay. जो मैंने अभी तक पढ़ा है उसी से हम rename करेंगे, okay. Can anyone say, like, how can we rename? Just a small, like, how can we rename something? Anyone have any idea how we can rename? Let's see, okay. Let's see. That's an interesting factor, yeah. Yes, keep asking, yeah. That's so impressive. So what can I do is RM, okay. The simple, okay. Rename, okay. Just a simple trick. What can I do is RM, okay, and then the file name dot slash, and I will change the file name, okay. File name, okay. Let's see. Let's do this. If I want to change this temp file, okay, file name, what will I do is I will do, let's see, okay, I will do RM, and then yeah, temp, will be work also, I guess, dot slash. And what should I name it? Let's name it, yes, okay. Yes, okay. Extension I forgot, na. Temp dot txt, okay. Yes, dot txt. Let's see. Okay, okay. Why it's not? You cannot know such file or directory. Why it's not moving? There is some problem, I guess. Okay, I guess it will work. What's saying? Remove file. I guess I'm doing something wrong. Okay. Will it work? I stuck somewhere. Yeah. Let's see. Even I also stuck here somewhere. That's why temp. Okay, it's I guess moved. Where it moved? Where is this? Something, bad happened. Let's create new file. Okay, let's create new file. Echo and something new dot txt. Okay, new is created and I want to rename it. Okay, rm remove new dot txt, and then what I will name it, text. Okay, let's see. Yes, txt. Will it work? Remove. Okay, I'm just removing it now. But remove file is not there. Let's see if I can. What am I doing here? Let's see if I can do this. Okay, it should work like this. Cannot file such directory. See, basically I used to do is what I used to remove and give the same name. See why remove is not work. Okay, sorry. I am doing remove now. Sit here. No one just telling me. Okay, I'm just moving. I have to move it now. I have to move it, and I'm doing remove. Okay, that's why it's just doing happening is like this. I also forget about that. MV. It should be MV. Sit, guys. Let's see. Yes. You should tell me now if I'm doing something wrong. Let's see. Yes. It will happen. Okay. Yes. People are like focused now. Okay, they are telling me the temp is not there. Yes. Oh, finally, we did it, guys. We did it. Yeah, we did it. See how this happen? Now it is yes, na. See, now it is yes, and let's move it to yes new dot txt. Okay. Okay, let's. I guess it should be like this. I hope so. No, okay. Dot, na dot. Okay, dot. Lol. See, this is how we can change. Rename it. Okay. Sometimes we also stuck. Okay, so you have to also keep doing. Okay, keep practicing it and see, like, always stay focused, because I lost my focus. That's why I have mistakes. Okay, so it's really good to keep, do mistake. And you guys are also great. Yeah, you are focused and you are saying what mistake is. Okay, so that's great. So how to remove, how to rename a file after giving the source file. Okay, the source file, maybe my spelling is wrong, source, and the destination file. Okay, so in this destination file we have to change this name. Okay, that's it, guys. That's no rocket science. Yeah, but sometimes we stuck somewhere. So I guess this much is also clear. Rename is clear to everyone, right? After doing so much mistakes, rename, I guess finally it's clear to everyone. Clear, na? Rename is clear. Great. Okay. So is there any doubts or anything you want to ask about test or any CC or something you have question in your head? You can unmute yourself. I guess I have given you permission, right? Mm. Yes, I guess you have permission. Yes, you can unmute yourself. If anyone have doubts, okay, if anyone want to know like something extra, they can ask. Still anyone have any doubts? Like topics we have covered till now. And one more thing, guys, we have this resources section. Okay, here you will get the recorded video, notes. Okay, here you will get notes and recorded video. Okay, great. So if anyone missed some part of the lecture, they can access through it. Okay, and we have completed 37 students, and still we are getting so many requests. So that's why I just resume the Google forum again. Okay, so if someone want to refer their friend, okay, they can do that. Just send the Google forum to them, and we will add them to our class also. And currently there are 37 students. Okay, that's so much impressive. Okay, and here you can discuss something. Okay, you can just write something and discuss something. Okay, it's just like a group. Okay, you can post something and anyone can comment on it, and just it's just like a post. Okay, you can do that also. Great. So finally, I guess no one have doubt till now, and we are doing so great. Like someone must have some doubts, na? I'm not so good. Yeah, I'm not teaching so good. Okay, someone have some doubts. Basta. No one have any doubt. Let's see if anyone missed some part of class. Okay, even if someone missed the yesterday class, they can ask me here. If someone faced any problem in Git Bash, everyone installed the Git Bash now. See, I'm just telling you the website. Okay, again, it's just I was just solving some lead code problem. Okay. Okay. So just search for Git Bash. Okay, and you will get the first link, SCM Git Bash. Okay, Git SCM. Just go to this link and just download this Windows version or Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, whatever your operating system is. Just download it. Okay. And some people were asking like they joined lately, so they were saying that I did something yesterday. If anyone have any doubts, yeah, please don't keep it to yourself. Okay. I am just giving you some extra times, okay, so that you can clear your doubts. Great. So finally, okay, I have admitted na everyone. Still some people are joining here. See, we are from tomorrow. What we will do? We will take 5-minute break after each class, okay? Because this class is of 45 minutes, and we will take 5-minute break, okay, to refresh your mind also, and then we will start a class, na? That will be great. Sounds good. Will it be like helpful to you also, right? Just write in your chat like I'm just want your opinion. Huh? It will be great. Now 5-minute break and then 45-minute class and then 5-minute break. Huh? That will be good. Yeah. Okay, great. Yes, yes. See, recorded video you will get in 12. I used to upload that on 12 o'clock, okay, at night, because I have to work on I am just working on some project and I have to wake up till 1 or 2 p.m. a.m. Okay. So that's why I used to upload it in at night. So if you want something, okay, you can access it on morning. Okay. So when will we GitHub, bro? GitHub we will start soon. Okay, GitHub we will start soon after clearing this Git bash. Okay, we will see. Let me see when we will start Git bash. Okay, let's see. Wait, wait. Let's let's. It's not the right one, I guess. It's I'm the. Let's see the Git bash and the everything. Okay, curriculum. I guess I have this here also. My documents. Where it is, yeah. Fine. Okay. Yeah. So Git. Okay. So today we have learned some command, and yeah, next class will be on GitHub. Okay. We will see some Git fundamental, and then we will use Git base. Okay. Next two classes will be on GitHub. Okay. And after this week, okay, we will see the Python. Okay. Introduction to Python. Only this week. After this week, we will see Python, then loops, and then the search binary, and so many data structure algorithm, core CSC. So people from BTech now, if they are preparing for GATE, okay, you know GATE, you guys know GATE, right? GATE. People from BTech should know what is this GATE. Yes, yes. Those like who can want to leave, those who want to leave, they can leave. Other will stay here. If someone want to like get some extra knowledge, they can stay. So what does this GATE? GATE is what after doing BTech, if you clear GATE, okay, with a good rank, okay, and if you clear GATE with a good rank, you can get admission in triple IT. It's only for BTech student, okay, not for BCA and BBA, okay. BTech student only. I'm not a BTech student personally, okay, but still I know something about that. So if you do crack this GATE, okay, then you can achieve triple IT. Okay, such a great infrastructure, and and many of my friends are in triple IT. Okay, there are so many friends of mine, they are in triple IT. So in triple IT in GATE exam, there is a there are so many problems on data structure algorithm, DSA. Okay, we will cover in, I guess, in next month. Yeah, after Python we will cover DSA, data structure algorithm. Okay, it plays a very good role, okay, in creating in cracking GATE exam. Okay, data structure algorithm, algo. Okay, so data structure algorithm plays a very good role. Okay, I guess some of you guys know DSA, right? Fine. Okay, 10 minutes is enough. So some of you guys know DSA. Okay, if you do good in DSA, you can crack triple IT and even good companies. Okay, so where should we practice lead? Yes, I was just solving some problems on the late code. So yes, if you know about like data structure algorithm, some coding, you can go to this website. I'm just sharing you. It's not for the beginner. Okay, we will see that. Okay, and we will see that, I guess, problems. Just click on problem. There is a website late code, and here you can see like I have to like this problem, and this is total 32 problem I have solved. Like I am less active on lead code, and there is a one more website, HackerRank. Okay, if I do HackerRank, this is pretty good website. Okay, like when you start your Python, we will start our Python. We can do this. Okay, currently I'm on 4-star coder on HackerRank, and just 173 point away from gold. Okay, and then after I can gold reach the gold. And there are so many certificates also. If I click on certificates, yes, see, I can get a certificate also here. There are so many good websites. Okay, I will guide you. Okay, don't worry about it, I will guide you. See, data structure is here, algorithm is here, C here, C++ here, Java, okay, mathematics. There are so many things. Okay, you can practice it. If someone is like in intermediate state, sir, I have practiced some easy question and I have completed about 20 questions. Great, great, great. Keep doing, dude. Keep doing. Keep improving just 1%. Okay, just keeping, keep yourself 1% every day and you will get 37.78% better. Okay, after the year, just keep doing great. Okay, so yeah, that's why I'm just saying you the DSA part is very important. Okay, and we will see that. And one more thing, those who want to to let that their friend is not joined. Okay, बहुत सारे बच्चों के मैसेज आए थे कि आप प्लीज भैया प्लीज open this link so that I can refer my friend. So I have opened this link again. Okay, only for this week. Okay, after this week we will start Python. Why Python? Okay, there are so many courses. Why Python? Some people said like, why Python bhaiya? Like there are so many websites. There are C, like there are so many languages. There are C, C++, and Java. There are so many languages, right? So why you are teaching us Python? Okay, let's see why I'm teaching you Python. Okay, if I go, I just let's see. Okay, here also. Let's see. Okay, so it's the, I guess it's the survey. Okay, it's a survey. Let's images. See, still there are some. See, here I can see. Let's see. Why Python? Okay. So JavaScript is there. Okay, JavaScript is like something extra. Okay, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Okay, and SQL is there. And after then, Python is the most demanding language. Okay, and if someone knows English now, they can understand Python very easily. Okay, Python is like just like normal language. Okay, Python is totally English. Okay, Python is totally on English. Okay, Python is nothing so difficult. Okay, Python is totally easy. Even I have developed a voice assistant. Okay, I have developed my voice assistant using Python. Okay, so you can do that also, like after Python started. Great. So I hope the thing is clear, and I guess I have made your day. Okay, I did like some stuff, and I will, don't worry about that notes. Okay, I will provide you the notes. Just just keep practicing things. Okay, I am providing you notes. Okay, I'm providing you the recorded video. But see, one thing you have to do is what, that you have to practice it. Okay, you just keep practice. You have just only task. Okay, just practice by your own. Just try this command. Okay, try these commands. Okay, and you will get skill. Okay, if someone don't get anything, don't just like yaar kya ho gaya bhaiya. Okay, just Google it. Okay, if I don't know rm command, see rm command and give it. Okay. It is for remove. Okay, see, just Google it. Okay, see, developers are not who know everything. Okay, developers are those who know how to make things, make it happen. Okay, जिसको सब कुछ पता वो नहीं है डेवलपर, जिसको ये पता है कि भाई काम कहाँ से हो सकता है, ठीक है, वो है डेवलपर. ठीक है, क्योंकि बिकॉज यू गाइस नो स्टैक ओवरफ्लो, देयर इज अ वेबसाइट स्टैक ओवरफ्लो. तो कि मतलब बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड में होता है कि स्टैक ओवरफ्लो से कोई भी कोड समझ नहीं आ रहा, स्टैक ओवरफ्लो पे जाओ, समझो, और उसको बहुत बहुत बंदे कॉपी भी कर लेते हैं, बट यार यू डोंट हैव टू, इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग जस्ट गूगल इट. ओके, great. So hope you enjoy this class. Okay, and there are just 3 minutes left to end, and I'm just closing this meeting. Okay, so if you have any doubts, if you have any suggestions, okay, you can just write in chat, or you can just DM me in person. Okay, right now I'm not on Insta, on not any social media. Okay, because I'm focused on my class. Okay, I just want to give you something you extra. Okay, each day I'm just giving something you extra. Okay, so please try to join on time. Okay, on 3:05 we will start the class, so please try to be on time. Okay, अगर तुम टाइम पे नहीं आओगे ना तो फिर टॉपिक छूट जाएंगे. ओके, फिर आपको देखना पड़ेगा रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस एंड ऑल, so it will waste your time also na. So that's why I just request you to join as soon as possible. Okay, fine, I'm just ending this session, and have a great day guys. Chalo, bye bye.